T-Rex Gala by CIV is the largest red gala. With the T-Rex variety, you can make the difference in the market with some unique features. Larger size than any other red gala. 95% first quality fruit, not small, not colorless. Intense red coloring even in the shady parts of the tree. Uniform fruit shape. Stable red color with selected vaccine shoots from CIV mother plantations. Real ripening, correct level of sugars during the full coloring of the fruit. 3 to 4 days before the other red galas, such as Devil, Shniko Red and others.
The new T-Rex stands out and is characterized by several aspects. First of all, it is a constant and early production variety that allows producers to place on the market a product harvested at the right degree of ripeness. Secondly, from T-Rex fruits are obtained whose peculiarity lies in the coloring of the epidermis, which appears earlier than other gala clones currently on the market. That makes it ideal choice for fruit growers as it can be harvested early.
Today the market is looking for and asking for an excellent fruit that has a beautiful deep red color. T-Rex Gala has excellent fruit finish and a good size, which can make this a good choice for fruit growers in India.
T-Rex Gala is a new generation clone that colors well even in the plains or lower elevations, but given its beautiful bright red color, it also goes well with high altitude areas.
The fruit of T-Rex has an important size and a flavor that conquers the consumer thanks to its pulp of high consistency and the sweet and aromatic flavor, typical and highly appreciated of Gala. The advantages of T-Rex Gala are tree with high vigor, high and constant productivity, and early ripening. Fruit is large size, truncated cone shape and bright. Very intense color spread over the entire surface of the fruit. Very early color development. T-Rex is new generation Gala clone. The flesh is very firm, sweet and aromatic, typical of Galas.
As Indian market has accepted the Gala apple variety, T-Rex Gala can be a good choice for fruit growers of lower, middle and high elevation. The harvesting time is the same with all the other promising and early maturing Gala varieties.
Although real performance can be evaluated after 2 to 3 years of plantation, but the characters of variety shows its edge on all other Gala varieties, as it is more colored, good shaped and better sized Gala variety, which can make it number one in the market.